So 2025 na, and ayaw mo nang maging simp this year, and you want to upgrade yourself from being a simp to becoming a man, then keep watching this video kasi tuturuan ko kayo ng mga basic tips kung paano nyo ma-upgrade yung sarili nyo this 2025. Ito kasi yung mga common mistakes na napapansin kong ginagawa ng mga nakaka-phone coaching session ko. So let's get started. Tip number 1, only use your phones for setting dates. Marami kasi sa atin, especially yung mga Gen Zs, nagre-rely sila sa phone nila too much to get to know a person. Mga sigarilyo, do not do this. Only get to know the person you're interested in during dates. Face-to-face dapat. Use your phones to set up a definite date with them and then cut the conversation na. Tip number 2, do not give gifts pag nililigawan nyo pa lang. Hanggat hindi pa kayo exclusive, do not give gifts sa mga nililigawan nyo. Kasi you will come off as being needy and it will come off as a bribe for sex para sa kanila. Reserve the gift giving kapag exclusive na kayo. And even then, you should do so sparingly. Tip number 3, ask the woman out on a date at least once a week. Grow some balls mga sigarilyo. And ask the girl out on a date na. Yung iba kasi nililigawan nila through chat lang. Wala kang mapapala sa ganyan, sigarilyo. You need to ask them out on a date so you can proceed with the seduction process. That's how it works. Tip number 4, do not double text. Marami kasi sa atin na pag hindi lang mag-reply si babae for just a few hours, nagpapanik na kagad si guy. So ang gagawin ni guy, double text na si babae. Guys, don't do this. Kung hindi mag-reply si girl sa inyo, that could only mean one of two things. Either she's not interested in you, or she is testing you. Yes, women test you like this. Nasasadyain nilang hindi sila mag-reply kagad just to see how you would react. Ngayon, kung nag-double text ka sa kanila, you would have failed their test. Why? Because you will come off as being needy na. Tip number 5, focus on your goals in life. Huwag niyong gawing sentro ng buhay niyo yung mga babaeng nililigawan niyo. Marami kasi sa atin na sinasacrifice na nila yung trabaho nila para lang makita yung babae. Guys, don't do this. If a woman senses that you're giving more priority to them than your purpose, she will lose attraction for you. Believe you me. Women are attracted to men who are purpose-driven, who's breaking through barriers, who's always trying to achieve their goals. Why? Kasi kung ganito yung mentality mo, mas magiging feel safe and secure yung babae kapag kasama ka. Kasi mararamdaman ni girl na go-getter ka and problem solver ka. So in case in the future, if she ends up with you, she will feel more safer and secure. Kasi alam niya na in the future kung magka-problema kayo, nandyan ka para isolve yung problem. Now that is masculine energy and dyan na-attract yung mga babae. Well, yan na muna yung tips na bibigay ko sa inyo mga sigarilyo, pero kung gusto nyo pa ng ibang tips, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Happy New Year and peace!